So this is the continuation of the first center. So in the section 5, initialize counters and tracker, and entry count and exit count initialize total number of people who entered and exited. Track people is a dictionary to store info, position, direction for each track person by their ID. So current entering and current exiting, these are temporary counters used within each frame to show current entering and exiting activity. So in the section 6 is improve processing function. So in this line, is function process one frame, use global so it can update use global so it can update the total counters clear in earlier. So current entering and current exiting resets the temporary counters for this frame, and then uses the YOLO version 8 model to detect and track only people. So class equals 0 is uses the YOLO version 8 model to detect and track only people. Then persist equals true means tracking ID are consistent between frames. So in this line, it tracks bounding boxes XY and unique IDs for each person, converts them to NumPy arrays for each processing. So in this code is to get the bounding box coordinates, and calculates the center of the person, centroid underscore x and centroid underscore y, measures the height of the box to filter out small false detection. So if bbox underscore height greater than 50 continue, it escapes the detections that are too small. So in this line is, if a new person is detected, create an entry in track underscore people with initial values. So else, if a person is already tracked, update their position history, keep last 5 positions. So if link track underscore people ID positions one, is in this line is to compare the previous and current x coordinates to find movement direction. So in underscore zone is to check if the person is inside the in zone. In underscore out zone is to check if the person is inside the out zone. So if track underscore people ID direction right, then In this code, this line is moving right indicates they're likely entering, and they're moving to the right marks marked as entered. So if the person is entered to the right, that means they are entering the main gate. Then in this code is similar logic for people moving left into out zone. Then flin track underscore people id positions, get previous and current positions. Then then check then check if the person is if the person switched from left to right or vice versa. So in this line, if sides are different, person cross the gate, then in this line is to ensure we only count once per crossing. Then if they cross from left, count as entered. If cross from right, count as exited. So clear zone flags if a person leaves zone. If not in zone, then the function of this is to reset zone, crossing flags when person is no longer inside any zones. Then status equals track underscore people id get status, get the person box and label if person is entering. No, I'm sorry. So get the person current status, I mean. Then if status entering, then draw green box and label if person is entering. LF status entering status equals exiting. So that means red box and label for exiting. LF status entered, then light green box for completed entry. Else default white box if no status. Overlay status overlay stats on frame. Then in this line is to prepare an overlay can be used for transparency. Then in this code is show current frame number and total entries and exits. So return the modified frame or return the modified frame for writing of or display. Main processing loop. So in the main processing loop is to prepare in this code is to prepare prepares an output video writer, then frame count underscore count equals 0 is to reads in this code is to read each frame from the input video until the end. Then frame underscore count plus equals 1, then processes and writes each frame. So if frame underscore count in this code is to shows a frame preview and log every 100 frames. So in finally cleans up after processing. So section 8 final output. So results. So print processing complete. print total entries, print total exits, print downloading output video. So in this line is to print summary of total people counted. Then in this code is to download, no. In this code is to print summary of total people counted. Then in this line is to downloads the final video from Google Colab. And this is the final output of our project. Then the green one is entry, then the red is exiting. So that's all.